Hadian ka jingmi ka kenrum kenram namar ka jingbam biang ka kompanya ya ka Eksamin Common University Entrance Test ha ka skol ba NEHU ya ka bakala penlong ya ki babun ki Samla bakin od ya ka kompanya ya ka ni Eksamin nakal yang Myntri beri khmi ka tanat ka Pule Puthi ka jella urakam sangma ula pentep bakat kum ka jing yo jing tep lingba ki nong penya ya ka ni Eksamin nak skol ba NEHU ula ong badan tang Kawei ka Samla ka ba Khlem yo ban Thoh ya ka ni Eksamin Habakran cikilat patai kubor ha kanok paisngi joka khatnri trek jemmang arjar psau rakam sang ma ulaong banakalyang ka sarkar ka simkhia lor kani gamat bat ong ru bon sapha da sithi shaki Samla ki balayele ikani ka Eksamin bakin yo ban sim admission haki college baper lopen tep ru baka jingmi ka kenrum kenram ka dai namar ka jingduna ka ji su thu jingmot hapadeng ka National Testing Agency NTA bat ka sarkar jilla.
We had a special meeting on this. We have called the NTA coordinator, the NEHU officials who were at the nodal department in conducting of the CUET examination in Meghalaya, and like we have discussed, of course the issue has been taken very seriously. Honorable Chief Minister has taken note very seriously and have decided to take off the matter with the NTA, with the Government of India, at the interest of our students. There are many students who could not, there are some few students who could not appear in the exam as well, and there are many rural, students who have not registered for the CUET examination, and our Honorable Chief Minister will be taking up the matter with the NTA and the Hunter government, and we will be writing for those students appearing in the CUET examination to take admission in the NEHU itself, and also to give second chance, and also those students who are appearing to take admission in the colleges affiliated to NEHU to given exemption this year again. But these things will be taken up with the NTA and the Government of India. But this is something like this CUET examination is nothing to do with the state government. It's completely conducted by the NTA, because it was lack of preparedness, lack of coordination. The NTA did not communicate to the state government department, including the Deputy Commissioner for the Law and Order Enforcement. Lack of coordination happened. Therefore, many students have landed in the queues. Therefore, for the interest of the students, the state will be taking up the matter with the NTA. And also, just to inform that, maybe the CUET is always the issue, and therefore we are coming up with our state university. So, will be many of the colleges affiliated to NEHU now can be given the green signal to affiliate with this new state, Captain Williamson State University. The NEHU officials and NTA officials just informed me that only one girl could not appear the CUET exam yesterday. The rest they could appear. However, there was some delay, and because there's some technical technical issue happened because of biometric. Because the capacity of each biometric was about for 100 children, students. They've been informed that there are only 7 biometric machines, which is supposed to be about 40 to 50 numbers. Since because of at the end of the hour, so after the green signal from the NTA, they just went ahead without the biometric. Therefore, they could hold exam.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kirasyon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba, ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba, ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya per ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde ubabha.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya kakot akhya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ladang i bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Nila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam mat ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jiga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya kamet ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jungkine ngin ngat hagi babun ki jingpa ka sarkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F aki.
Ba, uni jingbam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne eh.
Nang ni kong. Nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki scheme ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na ka banta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan da ka ba kilapha da ukhau ba bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata daw patang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da ukhau 45.
Ba, pikirannya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.